Welcome to today's teaching. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the introduction of our strategy, the strategy we're going to be trading. Sorry that you can't see me today. It's quite early in the morning, it's dark, the camera might not be clear. So I'm going to be teaching you the basic idea behind the strategy we're going to be trading, or just an introduction to our strategy. Without any waste of time, let's just go straight into it. As the week progresses, I'm going to be showing you more about this strategy. You can't learn it in one day, and I also cannot make one long video because it might even confuse you. We're going to take it step by step. So this is the introduction. Please watch closely to it because this is the thing that can change your life. If you don't understand the strategy, you will have a hard time when trading. So please watch carefully. This is the key thing that I can say you came for. Other things you can learn from other channels, but the strategy, how to identify where price is likely to go, because even this one will not be 100% accurate, but we just need to have a higher chance in identifying the next direction, whether it is going to buy or sell. That's the only problem we have when trading forex. We just cannot tell where price will go. Let's say from here, is it going to buy or is it going to sell? If you knew and were to be sure about this, you can make a lot of money just from this move only. Because if you knew that the thing is going to buy, you can just place a trade with a very huge lot size right there and make some money. But then we are never sure. Instead, we want to have a higher chance in our prediction. So please take this seriously, watch it closely. It's an introduction, but it should also open your mind. So right away, let's just go to it. When you look at a chart like this on the screen, whenever price moves, it goes through different phases or different states as it moves. For example, you can have the trending state. As you can see right here. This is sort of a downtrend. Price was trending downwards. You can also have, let's say, the reversal state. The reversal state, it's something like this. Price was on an uptrend. It was trending upwards, and then all of a sudden it reversed and started trending downwards. So this action right here is the reversal state. Price reversed to the downside, or it changed directions. That is the reversal state. What I'm showing you is what they call market structure, the phases of the market, or the phases which the market goes through as it moves. It's market structure. I showed you the trending state, uptrend, downtrend. Right here you have the reversal state. And another thing that you can have is, let's say, the pullback state. Right here we have a pullback. Price made a sharp move, very sharp move to the upper side, and then it started pulling back. This is not like a reversal, it's a pullback. Price made a sharp move, and then it's now coming back again to its normal level, because the normal level in which it was moving was this. Just show you, this was the normal level in which the price was moving. It made a sharp move and then it started coming back. This movement right here is called the pullback state. After the pullback state, you can also have the ranging state. You also have the ranging state. Now, an example of the ranging state, it is a situation whereby price is moving sideways. Let me just draw it for you. A ranging state, it's when price is moving like this. Price moves like this. It is ranging, moving sideways in a horizontal channel. So ranging. So right here, price is ranging. It's ranging. What more? You can also have the continuation state. I'll end with the continuation state. It's the 5 major phases which price goes through. Okay, let's say let me just draw it for you. Continuation state. Let me see if I can't find an example on the chart. Okay, right here we have sort of a continuation state. Let me start by drawing it so that you understand when I show you on the charts. Let's say price was on a downtrend. Let's say price was on a downtrend, and then it started doing this sort of arranging like, and then again it pushed to the downside. This action right here, it sort of did a ranging move and then it continued downward. This is a continuation because price was on a downtrend or was moving downwards, and then it did this sort of like a consolidation, and then from here it started moving downwards again. This is not like a new down movement. Instead, it is a continuation of its overall movement. So this is price continuation. For example, price reversed right here. Price reversed, and sorry, let me use this. Right here, price reversed. It was on an uptrend and then it started moving downwards. So on its down move, it moved down here, and there was this, even though it's quite huge, but it's still the same thing. Price then continued to the downside again. So it's price continuation. Those are the different phases which the market goes through. I talked about the trending phase, the reversal phase, the pullback phase or pullback state, the ranging state, and the continuation state. You can just watch this video again and again for you to have an understanding of that. That's in general the basic phases of the market. Now, the reason why I'm telling you all this is because I want you to know the power of the strategy that I am going to be sharing with you. Now, the strategy I am going to be sharing with you is a strategy that focuses on price reversal For example, right here, price pushed up and then it pushed down again. So right here, I can say it was a reversal. Now, our strategy is going to be a strategy that focuses mainly on the reversals. And this is really a good thing because guess what? The market is always reversing, always reversing. For example, let me start with the trending state. Let's say price is on an uptrend. Price is on an uptrend. This is your uptrend. Now, price being on an uptrend, right here, let me say price pushed up, pushed down, and right here, it reversed again and pushed up, and right here, it reversed again, pushed down, right here, it reversed, pushed up again, right here, it reversed, pushed down again. So on the trending state, price is always reversing. Now on the, I also spoke about the reversal state, whereby price is moving upwards. Let me do this. This was an uptrend and then price reverses and start moving downwards. So right here you have a reversal. So price was on an uptrend and then it reversed, and then right here it's the reversal. So that is the reversal. Price is also reversing on the reversal state. I hope it's making sense. Now another state that I spoke about is the pullback state. Remember this one. I mean right here, price pulled back, but at this point I can say this is a reversal. If you can switch to a smaller time frame and check this point right here, you can find that price was doing something like this and then it started coming back again. So on a smaller time frame, this right here is a reversal because price pushed up and then reversed right here to the downside again. Also on the ranging state, when price is ranging on the ranging phase, let's say price is ranging, price is ranging, moving sideways, price is moving sideways. Right at this point, I can say price pushed up, reversed again right here to the downside, reversed again to the upper side, reversed again to the downside. What other state do we have? The last one is the continuation state. Continuation state. I said this is an example of a continuation state. Price pushed down and then consolidated a little bit, and right here reminds me of another phase which the market goes through. This is actually a breakout. This is actually a breakout. I'll talk about it as I discuss the strategy in details. This is a breakout. Price broke out here, but on another note, price continued to the downside. Price continued to the downside because it came down, consolidated, and pushed down again. At this point, at the breakout state, you also have sort of like a reversal, because price was pushing up and then it reversed downwards. So you also have a reversal state right there. In overall, I just wanted to show you how that price is always reversing, makes no difference of the state in which it is moving. No difference. Price is always reversing. So I realized that price is always reversing, and the only thing now that I needed to know is how to know if price is to reverse. How to know if price is to reverse. And that is my main focus in this strategy. Clearly, if you can know that, you can be good to go, because whenever price is to reverse, you can just be able to identify that. And that is what I'm going to show you right away. Let me just give you an idea. Whenever price moves, I once said it in one of my videos, those who are following, whenever price moves like this, it creates key levels. I'm sure some of you have seen my video on that strategy. So whenever price moves, right at the turning point, it is a key level. At the turning point, it is a key level. At the turning point, it is a key level, key level, key level, key level, key level, such that whenever price breaks a key level, let's say price was moving like this, it left a key level right there. Let's say this is a key level. I have just extended it. Otherwise, this is the key level. I extend it to this side. If price is to break this key level, I know that it is likely to continue in that direction. I'll show you from the charts. It is likely that it is going to continue in that direction just after breaking the key level. And because, let me show you what price is likely to do. It's going to do this, do this. On another note, if price is moving like this, remember I said when price moves, it created this key level. But you also have another key level which it left right here at the turning point. Because remember, our strategy targets the turning point. Let's say price is at this point. If price breaks through this key level which it left right here, remember I said that it is likely that it continues on the upper side. It continues on the upper side. But let's say it fails to break this key level. Let's say it fails to break this key level, and instead it breaks through and comes down to this key and breaks this key level. Guess what? Price is likely to push to the downside. Price is likely to push to the downside. This is an indication of price reversal. And the previous one that I showed you, this is an indication of price continuation, that price might continue pushing up to the upper side. I'm taking this slowly so that you don't miss it. it is an indication that price is likely to continue trending upwards or pushing to the upper side. Now, let's say I want to show you another interesting thought. Let's say this was happening on a higher time frame like H4. This is H4, price is pushing upwards. If this is happening on H4, guess what? On a smaller time frame, you are going to be able to take or to find an entry right here, a buy entry right here, because you will be able to identify the reversal right here, because it's going to be something like this on the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, it's going to be something like this. Price is pushing downwards, creating key levels, and then price comes back. So this, you find that this was your key level, and then price closed above it. Price closed above it, and then it gave you the opportunity to do what? To take a trade. I'm showing you what is happening right here on a smaller time frame. Let's say this was H4 time frame, and then when you switch to a smaller time frame, this is what you are going to find, the entry. Now I want you to have this idea in mind. Let me just show you just a little example, or one example on the real charts. Okay, price was pushing up right here, and it was pushing up, creating key levels. Here was another key level. Price broke out of this key level. Price broke out of this key level, which was a buy signal. Don't worry about stop losses and take profits, that we're going to discuss later on. Just want to show you the entries part, how to know if price is to move up or down. Higher high, another key level. Let me show you this now. Price created a higher high right here. The previous key level before that was this. Now if you watch this video, I'm going to put the link to the other video, because I want you to watch it again so that you have more understanding on this. So watch this video, and then you find the reference to this video on the video description, because right after this video I'm going to show you how to identify key levels. I'm going to make a video on how to identify key levels. So you had this key level, previous key level. Price created a new higher high right there, and the previous key level before that was this, and then price broke out of this, and right there after price broke out, you could have taken a trade right there. Make sure you study this again and again. It really works. I'm not much interested in sending you signals, because I'll be sending signals for like 3 months, and signals have a problem, because what if I'm away? then you will not be able to trade. But if you know the strategy, you can trade for yourself. So price broke out right here, and you could have had an entry, and right here was the lowest part. The previous key level to that was this. Don't worry about key levels. It's the easiest thing to identify. I'm going to show you how. So right here, you could have had a trade. Price broke out of the key level. I'm not interested in stop losses for today. We'll discuss it on the next video. So for now, let me just end here. Please watch this video again and again and again until you have a clue of what I am trying to show you. Whenever price breaks the previous key level, it reverses or changes direction. You could have had a trade right here, could have had a trade right there. So that's the rough sketch introduction that I wanted to show you, the background of the strategy. I'm going to make it nice and clear, but I just wanted you to have a clue of how I came about this strategy, because it will help even some of you to develop your own strategies. It will help you to develop your own strategies. For example, the information I gave you is very important. Noticing how that the market is always reversing. Right there, price broke out of this last key level. You could have had a small buy, trade. Please go to your charts, whether on mobile or computer. This is the same thing that you are going to be seeing on charts. So that's it for now. Please, I know this is sort of like a rough sketch, but it's exactly where I started from. I made a rough sketch and then I started polishing up, and I'm going to show you on my next videos the strategy that is already polished up. So have a wonderful day. I might be quite busy even today, sorry about that, but know that I am working day and night so that we have everything in order, and I'll start being with you full time. Still have some few things to sort out, including adding new members. People are struggling to join us. Some have problems with the registration, some with the payment methods who are not the same. But I'm considering focusing on adding people on weekends so that we're able to trade during the week. But right now, I still have some few things to sort out. My internet connection, I was using a hotspot. I still have to go and organize a router and make a subscription so that I do not suffer with internet again. The internet provider I have right now is on and off, so I want to change the internet connection. But just know that I am working day and night so that we have a smooth lesson. You are the first group I am teaching for the first time, so I have a lot to put together. And bear in mind that I haven't started counting your 3 months because everything is still not together. But once I am settled, I will let you know that your 3 months has begun, because it's a 3 months subscription. So you will have to forgive me for now. This is just free information, otherwise your 3 months has not begun. Just want you to have early lessons. Please have a wonderful day. Watch this video